Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share my Big Island experience with you. I got to go to a chocolate farm. I got to see volcanoes. I even went to a black sand nude beach, and I didn't even know it was a nude beach until I got there. But if you don't know, I literally decided to pack up all my things, put it in storage, and dip. I don't know when I'm coming back to California, but we're gonna figure that out later. I did have a crazy experience in the beginning. Let's just say by the time I got here, my hair wasn't done. It was raining. My suitcase broke. I had to literally switch all my stuff over inside of in the airport. It was a lot going on. But what I am going to say is this video is for black people, okay? So when you see me doing my hair, if you don't know what's going on, just mind your business. Just mind your business, okay? Also, another thing I'm gonna mention before I start is the food. Yeah, the food wasn't that good, but I'm gonna show y'all everything. The fruits were great. So I went to a farmer's market. I tried to record as much as possible while still being present. So I hope you enjoy this video and make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you. So like I stated before, when I got there, I had to switch out my whole suitcase. As you can see, I'm sweating bullets. It's hot. It's raining, but at least I got my car. When I did get to the Airbnb, it was really nice. So I was like, okay, all you need now is some good food and you'll be good. This is my Airbnb. It's so cute. It was so cute. I was really happy. I went downtown to get some food. It's really cute downtown as well. So I ended up getting some Asian food from this Thai place, and it looks good, but it was spicy with no flavor. So it really depends on what you like. Next morning, I immediately did my hair because I wasn't going outside looking crazy. So these are the products that I used, and this is the hair that I used. I'll have everything linked below. The Airbnb had this soap and shampoo, this soap and conditioner. So I decided to use that for the hair I was putting in my hair and these products for my actual hair. So I was getting down to business, y'all. I was like, I gotta get outside. I'm only here for a little over a week. Let's get this party started. The hairstyle was so quick, it was only crochet. So I got to also go to the farmer's market that day. I did end up getting there pretty late, but I still got some really good fruits. And I also got some food that was really good as well. Okay, so you said this doesn't taste like chocolate.
Yeah, it's very disappointing. I was disappointed when I tasted it. This is like a very squishy avocado, but a little more sweeter.
Squishy avocado. Okay. You said it tastes like an avocado though. Or what does it taste like?
Kind of has no taste.
But hella nutrients.
Yeah.
That's how it goes. Okay, let me try one.
Okay.
Oh, sour sop. Wait, this is sour sop too?
No.
What is this?
That's an avocado.
Okay, you know this is one of the biggest avocados I've ever seen? Wow. Okay, how much is your sour sop?
They're $2 a pound.
Okay. This one ready, huh?
Yep.
All right, let me get that one. Damn, these big ass avocados. Anybody ready for me? I'll take one that's ready. I don't know if it's because I just went to the farmer's market, but these are only $2. These are only $2. Apples were $1. Oranges was $1. The strawberry papaya was 2 for $1, so they were only $1. And I think the regular one was a little over $1. This was $1.50. This was, I forgot, but I'm gonna have to eat this since I busted open like that. And apples were $1. But this is the food. The food I had last night, I didn't really like it. I just felt like, you know when something is spicy with no flavor? That's what it was. And this is my fresh kale. And it feels different. I think I'm gonna make a kale wrap with this big ass avocado, this right here, tomatoes and a pepper. Should have got an onion, but yeah, let's get the party started. I don't know why I just deleted, but I took my first bite and it was pretty good. She tried to charge me 2 for $5. And then I was like, 2 for $5? So then she gave me an extra one, so I got 3. And I came late, so I just think she was running out of food. I mean, the food was probably gonna go to waste, so she was just like, yeah. I mean, add another one on there, but it's good. It's just rice in this little bowl with like avocado and its own little like type sauce. I gotta do the damn Explorer to get down with it. But I'm still some assistance would be great. But I'm excited for when I get down there. Oh, I probably should have put my sneakers on, but whatever. Ain't nothing like getting grounded. Whoa, whoa. Okay, yeah, I'ma go down this little road right here. These are the nice final little stairs. Whoa, until I get to the Black Beach. Hold on, y'all. I'm doing the best I can. I'm doing the best I can. Oh, can't lose those. Thank you. Oh. Oh, are these rocks look like, oh, it is cold. It is definitely cold. But it is so nice. Yeah, see how nice it is? This looks like a little pond over there. Maybe one of them mermaid ponds they be talking about. Okay, these rocks, hold on, nothing time. But, oh, I'm not going over there, child. Changed my mind. That water was strong, but it felt so good. And there was this girl singing on the beach, and she sounds so beautiful. Let me let y'all hear it. I want to go up here, but I do not want to bust my ass. So I'm not going to be able to record it, but when I get inside, hopefully it's a beautiful view. Excited! I haven't seen nobody go in here yet, so I'm like, oh, okay. I don't know if it's safe to go in here. I changed my mind. It's cute though. So this rock right here made me change my mind. You see this wiggly shit? I go over there and bust my ass. Who gonna save me? Who gonna save me? So this rock, it made me change my mind in a heartbeat. These are so cute. So I just made it to the chocolate farm. I'm about to get started. I'm gonna put my bifocals on because I want to see everything, but I had got lost. Well, not lost. I went to the wrong destination, but it was only like 7 minutes away. But I'm here and I'm excited to taste some raw chocolate for the first time. Thought I went to the right place, but this is not it. I gotta continue to go up. He said it's about a half a mile more. So that was the second stop I made. That was the wrong stop, but it's all really close together. So gotta keep going up, and there's like a cemetery. Hold on, let me see if I can see through there, but it's like a cemetery on this side. But that ain't none of my business. Oh yeah, see that big ass cemetery? But yeah, okay, so hopefully where these cars are, this is it. Oh, it looks like it. I don't know if I can.
Tastes very astringent. Cacao is actually very medicinal. You know, everybody says, if I could eat chocolate for my health, I would. You totally can. You just have to get really good quality chocolate. It's not even the chocolate in it that's the concern. It's the other ingredients. Yeah. Pretty much matches are like that outside part. That outside shade is like the exact same color. Bed ravine areas are really developed because it'll have eaten away the inside of the bean as its energy for the fermentation process. Some places will drain this juice that comes out. We just let it go back into the beans and open it and imparts a little extra sweet flavor. But everybody does it different. Nobody's wrong, but every chocolate maker will give you different advice. Yeah, so this dark part here is the bean. This white part will ferment off, and then these will just look kind of more like cocoa beans and brown, a little more brown by then, and then when they dry out.
That's what it looks like when you cut up in a ripe, fully ripe one.
This is just fully ripe. The purple color of it indicates its antioxidant level, really. We know now that like things like blueberries and these are really intense in color, especially theobromine. Theobromine is kind of sometimes confused for caffeine in it because it gives you a perk. But they only have about 4% caffeine. Chocolate's not really caffeinated. That's why you don't get the same crash. Theobromine is not a stimulant, but it gives you that same stimulant-esque up, but not the stimulant crash. When you read the benefits of theobromine, it looks like snake oil. The list goes on and on and on. I mean, you're talking about everything, and it really does help. So if you get a really good, high-quality chocolate, it is medicine. People argue it. I'm like, why are you arguing that? Like,
Look at the chocolate. This is it on the tree right here.
During that process, alkalize the cocoa gets crushed, alkalized, alkali added, things like that. It should get nobody wants ugly fruit. He says ugly fruit, which is good in that way. But then you won't look like a fun.
I just want to run through. Just run through.
So we'll even buy that from other farmers sometimes. It's called wet bean. And so when you buy it like that, you just get this the first day and it's already been removed.
So if you didn't have enough to complete your process, you might buy a little extra just to be efficient.
Yeah, and just to support too, because people are like, hey, I have them ready, but they don't have anything to do with them. And we're trying to promote everybody, like, plant one in your backyard, you know, just plant as many as you can. And so we need a controlled storage unit. And they're going to rest for almost a year. We let our greens rest for at least 2 years. It's just growth. I mean, not quite mold, but kind of like a mold. Like a fungal thing. Yeah, it'll all roast off in the roasting process. So most places, like in South America, it's dried in the street. So it's why you want to be really, really careful where you source your raw cacao.
Can you see how it grows? This one is so beautiful as well. Oh, and there's so many. Look over here. They're growing so beautifully. Let me take a picture with it and get out.
You saw the fermentation, or?
This is me tasting the cacao. As you can see, this is I face. This is I. And then they gave us a piece of chocolate that they made, and that was definitely good. When you see me eat that, you're gonna be like, oh yeah, she likes that. That was good. I remember that one.
Yeah, so there's a seed inside. You're going to want to eat the pulp off of the outside. If you're adventurous at the end, you can go ahead and bite the bean if you want. But at this point, it is very medicinal and not cocoa.
And so I have a quiz. So the question is, what flavors do you taste?
I ended up biting the whole seed and just eating it. And on the outside, it gave me like a mango taste type of flavor. And on the inside, it tastes like a vegetable. So it was pretty interesting feeling all the flavors in my mouth, but I enjoyed it. My face is just so funny. I'm like, what's going on here? It's literally so many different flavors in your mouth. The outside tastes real mango-ish.
Okay, cocoa butter is a fat. And if you know anything about botany or whatever, you know, like inside you'll see later we have a machine that to make our cocoa liqueur, which is liquefied nibs. So
We also got a chance to taste chocolate that had 90% of chocolate in it, 80% of chocolate in it, 70% of chocolate in it as well, and some other chocolates that were like crunchy. It was pretty good. I enjoyed the whole tasting test. Who doesn't love a
you can hold
chocolate
up to
waterfall?
about 90 pounds or so on chocolate. So.
Yeah, I think everybody should have 70 pounds of chocolate just on demand.
Right? Oh, I can't wait.
Immediately, you guys go.
You know, there's a big movement in development
store.
Or you mean like coconut?
And I'm going to buy this one and this one. I just left the chocolate factory and it was fun. I enjoyed it. Now I am at another farmer's market, which was like not even 5 minutes away. It was like 2 seconds away. So I'm excited to see what they have. They have clothes and food. So we're about to walk around and see what they got. This is a regular farmer's market. Oh, it's nice though.
Ingredients are secret.
It used to be, but now they change.
It's cute. I don't really see anything. Ooh. These are nice. These are all really nice actually. Handbags. All this jewelry is really nice. This is also really cute.
Outside of my safe.
I think I'm gonna get one.
Not just this couch.
Yeah, right.
I'm sorry, what are these again?
Star apple. It's a milky.
Oh, it's purple inside? And how much are these?
$3 a pound.
Okay. How do I pick them? Which one's the best one?
The soft one is better. This also is ripe already.
Okay.
Like this. Like this side.
Okay. One, these cucumbers and one of these. Oh, should I hold it? There we go. Oh, this says make you high. I am weak. What does it taste like?
Bitter.
I don't think I've ever had that before. And how much are these?
$10.
$10. Yeah, no.
The long one, £2.7.
This is where I get my food from. Excuse me, let me just grab some utensils. Yeah, we're gonna eat. And this is some cucumbers, and this is like some rice, some sticky rice, I believe. Let me try to open it up for you guys. This is it right here. So I'm gonna try it out and let y'all know how it tastes. I bought one more strawberry papaya, but I still have, ooh, little baby is ready. So the next day, Enterprise called me to let me know that my car needed maintenance, so I needed to drive all the way back to the airport and switch my car. So now they're giving me a new car. Enterprise. I hope it ain't this. That's too big. I really hope it ain't this one. Oh yeah, no. This too big. I need something a little smaller. Yeah, like this SUV. It's too damn big. Yeah, no, I don't want that. Yeah. Okay, let's see what I got, guys. Let's see. Regular car. I don't mean nothing fancy. Okay. Oh, is it? Okay, we could do this. That's fine. I'm good with it. Okay, this car is way better. The other car, it was fucking up. My music wasn't connecting, but I mean, I like this one better. I like this little thing right here. So let's get going. We are on our way. To a waterfall. You know I love a good waterfall. I see a place that has fresh coconut, fresh pineapple, and fresh sugar cane.
In half a mile,
So,
the destination
but I'm like,
is on your left.
yeah, I'm like
Akaka
3
Falls
minutes
State
away.
Park.
But who doesn't want a coconut?